A quiet morning with a cat in a basket. Let's craft this Snow Peashooter together. Here are the materials and tools you'll need for this project. Take 10 light blue pipe cleaners. Wrap one around the floral wire to form a tight coil. Then compress it. Slide it up. This creates a springy shape. Make 10 of these. Glue the ends of one coil together to form a small circle. Make 2 of these. Take the remaining 8 coils and stretch each one to about 18 centimeters using a ruler. Wrap one of the coils into a spiral. And glue it onto a 4.5 centimeters foam ball. Press firmly to secure the end. Continue wrapping and gluing pipe cleaners to fully cover the foam ball. Which version do you like more? The regular green pea shooter or this snow version? Let me know in the comments. Wrap 2 pipe cleaners around disposable chopsticks to form large springs. Compress. Take out 1 light blue pipe cleaner and cut it into half. Then insert the half pipe cleaner into the large springs. Adjust the shape. Twist the ends to secure. And trim any excess. Hide the ends inside the spiral. Glue the flat side of the spiral to the small circle. Do this with both pieces. Then glue the finished mouth to the bottom front of the head. Take one pipe cleaner, fold in half twice. Measure 3 centimeters from the fold and twist to secure. Let the sides drop down. Twist both ends with the center to form a base. Pinch the tip into a point. Repeat for the other side. Fold them upward and curve them gently like bunny ears. Use the leftover half pipe cleaner to create one small leaf. You'll need 5 small leaves in total. Apply glue to the back of the head and attach the leaves one by one. Take one pipe cleaner, fold into half. And fold down 2 centimeters on each side. Twist near the base to secure. Twist to full-length pipe cleaners together. Fold down the flower base 90 degrees. Open it and curve it into shape. Make 2 of these and glue them together. Attach the base under the head with glue. Hold for a few seconds to secure. Take out 2 green pipe cleaners. Cut one into half. We need 1 full green pipe cleaner and 2 1/2 length. Fold all in half. Stack the 2 short ones and insert the long one in the center. Bend down both sides and pinch the tip to form a leaf. Twist the bottom and wrap with a long length pipe cleaner. Gently curve the leaf. You'll need 4 of these. Take a disposable paper cup. Hold the ruler vertically and mark 4 centimeters from the base using a pen. Use scissors to cut the cup at the 4 centimeters mark. Cut 7 dark brown pipe cleaners into 6 centimeter segments. Attach each segment vertically around the outer wall of the cup. Wrap to full pipe cleaners around floral wire. Compress and slide off. Stretch the coil slightly, then spiral it into a base-sized disc. Glue this coil to the base of the pot. Glue a small sponge inside the pot and set it aside. Take 1 light blue pipe cleaner and wrap it around the base of the Snow Peashooter until about 5 centimeters down. Glue and wrap the large leaves around the stem. Trim off any extra pipe cleaner. Use the hot glue gun to melt a small hole in the center of the sponge, just big enough to fit the Snow Peashooter stem. Now take a green pipe cleaner, wrap it around floral wire, and stretch it. Measure the base with a pipe cleaner, then gently form a circle that fits perfectly inside the pot. Spiral it to form the pot's top base. Glue the spiral on top of the pot. Finally, glue the Snow Peashooter into the center. To finish it off, let's glue on the 8mm eyes and a little blue pom-pom as the icy spit. And just like that, we're done. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. If this little guy made you smile, drop an emoji in the comments.